So we're going to talk about nesting in reptile species, mainly crocodilians and turtles, and what happens with most species of specifically turtles and tortoises is that they make a whole nest. वो खड्डा करके nest बनाते हैं. And crocodiles में भी मगर और घड़ियाल खड्डा करते हैं, खड्डा करके अंडा डालते हैं. और जो सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल है इट मेक्स अ माउंड नेस्ट. तो ऐसा सब लीफ लिटर लेके दे मेक अ माउंड एंड उसमें अंडा देते हैं. सांप कभी कभी अंडा देते हैं, कभी कभी बच्चा देते हैं डायरेक्टली. सो वी विल डील विद दैट सेपरेटली. लेकिन व्हाई डू यू नीड टू एक्सकवेट द नेस्ट? अंडा निकालना क्यों ज़रूरी है? दैट इज़ प्राइमरीली बिकॉज कैप्टिव मैनेजमेंट सिचुएशंस में जब हम ओपन एनक्लोजर्स होते हैं, so when the eggs are laid in open enclosures, there are a lot of predators that we have, free ranging predators. So we have mongooses, you have crows, you have rats, and even valuable species, the eggs can get destroyed. So we don't want to leave them. Also, incubation in controlled environments help us with monitoring what kind of sexes would possibly be produced when we have these eggs. So why is that happening? It's because of something called as temperature dependent sex determination, which is a very special characteristic only in turtles and crocodilians, chelonians and crocodilians, where the sex of the baby, मादा है या नर है बच्चा, will depend on temperature at which the egg is incubated. मतलब जिस टेम्परेचर पे अंडा रखेंगे इंक्यूबेशन के लिए, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा कि बच्चा जो निकलेगा वो नर है या मादा है. सो जनरली we will find a nest which is somewhat similar. So this is an artificially created situation, of course, but we will find it in a similar situation, and most nests go up to a foot deep at least where the eggs are laid. So when you look for a nest, जब हम nest ढूंढते हैं, so you will look for signs of a turtle or a crocodile. So tail drags, foot marks, a little tail that comes, body patches that come to a nest and then go away. So sometimes they also come to the nest and stay there, because crocodiles are very, very, very good parents. They guard their nest, they take care of the eggs. For a long time they are very protective about the nest. So you will see only one side, but that's where you have to go and look. Also कभी कभी it's a false alarm, झूठ मूठ का करते हैं, because they're very, very good parents, they like to look for the most appropriate space to nest. Temperature, humidity, shade, all this, predators, prey, everything considered, they look for the best space. So when you find a nest that you want to excavate, what you will do is you will start digging, and sometimes you will find the egg right on the top. So when that happens, this is the first egg that you find. You have dug the egg. So what you will do is, what species you're looking at, है ना? So suppose you're looking at a gharial nest. Okay, so this is your first nest of the season. So this is gharial 1, first nest of the season, and this is egg number 1. Now before you put this, you take some sand from here and you line up the tray. This sand that you get from the nest itself is great, because it's obviously the kind of sand that the mother believes is the best for that. So it's called natal sand. From the nest is called natal sand. You also use ideally a thermohygrometer. It is available with a probe, and you stick it to where the first egg is. So that will tell you what is the temperature at the top. Now generally when you are dealing with gharial nests and so on, you know that there will be around 30 eggs, 25 eggs, whatever. So you wait for, mostly with digital technology now, it tells you very quickly, but with this you wait for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to tell you what is the temperature. Now why is this important? And this you have to write this down as data because you have to collect it. So the nest number, Gharial egg nest number 1, egg number 1 was at temperature this much. So you know that when you are translocating it, the last egg is egg number 4 or 44, and that goes right at the bottom because that's the last egg you took out. And then egg number 1 is right at the top. So there is no reversal of these eggs once you start marking them. You also have to remember that like all the eggs have something called as a placental attachment. So this will tell you whatever temperature it is at. So let's say this is at 32 degrees. So because it is exposed, this will be at the highest temperature. So we will remove this egg, and without moving it in any way, you will place it in this sand and you don't let it roll away. So you make sure that there is enough sand cover so that the egg doesn't roll away. So you can pack it up with whatever sand you have. This is if this is done within the first 2 days of the egg being laid, because that's when the connection of the placenta to the chalaza is intact. If it breaks, then the embryo will die. You understand, right? So it's the first nest of the season. First magar that laid the first nest. So you will write M1, right? M1 slowly. Upar, right. M1 slash. This is your first egg, right? So 1. Now you will make this loose like this, okay? Slowly. If it goes on top, it is okay, but you have to remove this egg and without moving, no shaking. Pick it up slowly. This is a real egg. The baby is going to come out of this egg. Now you place it here. You tell me, I am your assistant here, है ना? So you tell me and I will move that for you, and you will keep it straight and not allow it to move at all. And then you will take sand and pack it. Very good. Very good. Now the next one is here. So what is this number?
Number 2.
So what will you write?
M1.
Right?
/2.
Very good. So now what happened here? See, it went to the side. So you have to remember that it went to the side. So when you pick it up, this has to be on the side only. So it's like this. Okay? It's little bit to the side. है ना? It's not directly on top. Okay. Now let's say that we have dug out all the eggs. Now you have gone to the very bottom. है ना? So ये है bottom egg. कितना है देखो धीरे, तो 2 आ गया, है ना? So अभी किसको पहले रखेंगे? Which one will you keep first? The choice is okay, कोई भी रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि फिर आप क्या करेंगे? आप थर्मामीटर लेंगे और ये बीच में रखेंगे और उसका टेम्परेचर देखेंगे कौन से टेम्परेचर पे है. फिर उसको आप चाहिए तो लिख सकते हैं M1 3 और M1 4. अभी ये नीचे गया, अभी ये याद रखना है. निकालो, इसको रखो, ऊपर रखो. You keep this for 2 minutes and then you take a full temperature. You will know. So this is at 37 degrees. Okay. So when you're moving it, this is wrong because you have done it in the field condition. It is never 37. So you take it out, you write it and you put it there. Correct. M1 3 and this is M1
4.
Correct. Very good. Now put 3 and 4 there. So you first make space there. उधर पहले
space create చేయండి.
हाँ 3 हो गया. अभी 4 का भी जगह बनाओ.
ఇంకా sand తీసుకొని
और डालो
ఇంకా పెట్టాలి అంటే కింద నుంచి మీరు సెపరేట్ చేసేస్తే అది కింద ఉండదు అందుకే ఇంకా
और डालो मतलब उसका वो स्टेडी रहेगा, हिलेगा नहीं ऐसे गड़ 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 करके.
మూవ్ అయితే చనిపోద్ది లోపల ఉన్నది దీని కనెక్షన్ లూజ్ అయిపోతుంది
हाँ तो ऐसा देखो भरपूर डालो. अपना सैंड है ना वो हमको वेरी गुड. अभी इधर एक बनाओ होल, इधर एक बनाओ, डालो बस बस. हाँ
ఇంకా తీసి పెట్టాలి
वेरी गुड.
ఇంకా శాండ్ తీసుకుని పక్కన ఇంకా పెట్టండి
और फिर हमेशा यू ऑलवेज चेक दैट यू हैवंट लेफ्ट एनी एग बिहाइंड, है ना.
ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి ఏదైనా ఉండిపోయిందా
सो कुछ रह नहीं गया है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है, वो चेक करने का. और फिर जब बॉटम में है तो सबसे लास्ट में जो है वो टेम्परेचर लेने का कि सबसे नीचे व्हाट इज़ द टेम्परेचर एट द बॉटम मोस्ट पोजिशन. वंस यू हैव दैट योर नेस्ट इज़ डन. नाउ
టెంపరేచర్ మిడిల్ లేయర్ టెంపరేచర్ కింద
top layer temperature
పైన ఉన్న లేయర్ టెంపరేచర్
and then you cover this so that you leave it ऐसे ऊपर का सिर्फ नंबर दिखना चाहिए.
నంబర్ కనపడాలి నంబర్ కనపడాలి పెట్టాలి
And then you carry it to wherever your incubation lab is. Incubation lab एक जगह होता है जहाँ where your temperature is controlled. मतलब वहाँ you can have an AC or something. So it's a standard temperature 22 degrees, 23 degrees, and then you have incubators. You can also have in reptiles we use, anybody who does gardening knows this, it's called vermiculite. It's material होता है एक it's हाँ it's a
తెలుసా
वर्मी compost नहीं, this is vermiculite. It's an artificial material. लेकिन वो पानी पकड़ के रखता है. It holds humidity, it holds moisture. So you put that and you get what is called as medium grain vermiculite. उसका जो भूसा देखा है, भूसे जैसा दिखता है. जैसे हम ऐसे करेंगे तो वो अपने आप ऐसे साथ में रहेगा. So that is when it has held moisture. So you spread it and you put the eggs in that and you incubate them. So turtle tortoise eggs incubate anywhere between 60 to 90 days. Also crocodile eggs. So you know date पे कौन से date पे आपने निकाला, you have to write the date and you have to monitor the temperature, humidity. That is why thermohygrometers are so important in any captive animal collection. Not only for this, but you can use them for bird eggs, you can use them for denning temperatures in mammals, you can use them for when you're doing nebulization or when you're keeping any different, like we all have non-native species now. So when you're doing non-native species collections, it's a great addition to any lab facility.